We're making a retaining wall, outdoor kitchen. Maybe not soon, but someday. All right, how do you build a retaining wall? Out of cinder blocks, concrete blocks. First off, get your ground totally level. Get a big long stick. Get a level on top of it. Make sure that it's perfectly level. And then I've got this, you saw me tapping, so that it's just out of level, meaning that the backside is lower, so the wall's gonna lean a little bit like this. Over time, the wall that's perfectly plumb, straight up and down, that's leaning this way, will lean back this direction a little bit because of the weight of the dirt. This should get us a real nice retaining wall. Now, I don't want this wall falling back this direction, so I've got a little anchor there so that I can put a little elbow back here like that, and then that'll be covered, so that should act to keep it from tipping over and falling on you. So we're gonna do a couple of those, build this thing up, throw in some rebar, pour in cement. We'll call it done. Check this out. Here's what we're doing. We want some of these cantilevered on the backside, and that will help it be incredibly sturdy so that it's bottom heavy. We'll put cement inside of each of these holes. But then it should be much less likely to tip over this direction, because these ones back here are keeping it down, all the dirt on top. It won't bust those over and tip over. If we just did one single wall across here, then it's kind of like a Lego wall, where you build a Lego wall, and once the bottom pops, the whole wall just tips over, which is what we don't want. So I'm going to put a few of these sucking into the back, just kind of dry fitting it at the moment. So now I got to take a picture, take it all down, and then we'll actually put the blocks in the way that we need to, including that hole on the other side. Yikes. Let's get to work. Sweat. All right, here comes the first one. Yeah. We got the first row in. Let's go make sure it's level. That one's drooping a little bit. Do you know why? Because I poured cement and it's kind of, sinking in. Perfect. Alright, so I don't know if you can see back here. We want another one going angled to the back because right now there's only one. I marked my marks wrong. That's what happens after the sun goes down. Oops. We're done for the night. It's way too late. Let's check this out when the sun comes up and see if we did okay. We have a good few of these sticking out the back. That should give us everything we need so that it doesn't tip over on us. I think I'm happy with it. Concrete in the morning. Only took about 2 hours longer than I expected.